Hello, good morning viewers. Welcome back to the SBS News with Ufa Report. From all around the world and for today, the 1st of March 2024. Information that are happening during this week and here is the topic line. Nearly 400 residents' houses were damaged by a tornado in Bandung district. Wednesday afternoon, the birth of the wind also left some residents, especially mothers and children, traumatized.
Hundreds of residential areas in the Rancaekek area, Bandung district, West Java, were devastated by vandals after being hit by a strong tornado on Wednesday afternoon. This village was one of the locations that was seriously affected by this disaster. Not only did the residents' houses be destroyed, the magnitude of the tornado also left some residents, especially mothers and children, traumatized. There were two residents who were rushed to hospital for treatment because they suffered laceration to their hands due to being hit by zinc material carried by the wind.
It's really traumatizing, especially if the children are definitely really traumatized. It's not traumatizing to see the wind blowing around like that. They would know that it's been cleaned up is really messy. It's just scary to see. Material from the bakery factory flew all over people's houses. Almost all the houses were hit because the impact of the bakery factory material was flying into people's houses as well as large blocks of wood and zinc all coming here.
As of Thursday morning, it was recorded that 392 residents' houses had been damaged by the wind, and the affected residents chose to evacuate to the homes of their relatives. Climatologist Ermayuli Hastin claimed that the wind that damaged Rancaekek was the first tornado in Indonesia. She also claimed that the tornado phenomenon had been predicted by Britain's computer-based information system. Irma said the National Innovation Research Agency team would immediately investigate and reconstruct this phenomenon. However, in contrast to Irma, the Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysics Agency BMKG said the phenomenon that occurred in Bandung was not a tornado, but an ordinary tornado. BMKG based the statement on the speed of the weathering winds and the restoring damage unlike a tornado. BMKG recorded that the wind conditions around Jatinangor were a mixture at the time of the incident. While a typhoon can only be called a tornado if it reaches a speed of 73 miles per hour, reaching 36.8 km/h or around 23 miles per hour. In line with BMKG, the Chief Executive of BPBD Sumedang, Atang Sultarno, said the incident was not a tornado, but an ordinary tornado.
Okay, maybe it's been 10 minutes I accompanied you. That's all I can say. Thank you and see you again.